AX3000 dual band Gigabit Wi-Fi 6 router, actual AX50. So I bought this from Lazada. Okay, so I chose ViewNet. Why I chose ViewNet? One of the reason is the support is very good and very responsive and supportive. So it sent by the courier. Then when I receive it, I found that the box is actually came made already. So hopefully inside is okay. Okay, this is the spec. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, this is the manual. Quick installation guide. Show you the simple step how to set up the router. Okay, so the box is hitting here. So this is the router with 4 antenna. Okay, this is the adapter. Three-pin UK plug adapter, and come with one network cable, Cat5e network cable. Okay, so there's some holes here for ventilation, and then this is with MCMC's sticker. Then this is one port, LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, and USB port, and power, and then power button. And this one is WPS Wi-Fi reset button and LED button. So he's come with Intel chipset. So let's try and see. Thank you. So this is how I plug the cable. So the yellow color is one from modem. So the one port, and then the red and white color is the IPTV or the unified hip TV, and then the balance are for the LAN cable.